gonna go to school soon, and today I actually have an English presentation, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really scared, I'm really stressed, and it's not even like a real one, it's just like practicing in the classroom with my teacher and two of my friends. But I'm still like really, my stress level is really high right now, and it's weird because it's literally my friends that I see every day and like some random teacher. I just really want to lay in my bed right now and sleep.
Bam. I'll blur your face out. I just went shopping with my best friend, and I'm gonna do a quick haul.
Because I want to.
First, my hair. Excuse me for my hair. Please forgive me. First, I bought a silk pillowcase, but I don't know if it's for real silk because it says satin pillowcases, and I believe that's something else. It wasn't in like pretty pink color. It was literally only this weird ass gray color, but who cares. Then I bought this delicious spicy ramen. Then I bought this shower gel. This dry shampoo because my hair gets oily very quickly. So then I got this like lipstick because my other lipstick, wait, this one, I use it all the time. It's like my favorite ever, and like the color is so pretty, but it's almost
done,
and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I went to search for like a color replacement. Yeah, it's like almost the same shade, kind of. I actually want to swatch. Guys, I've been here before. I got this blush because my other blush is also running low, running out, whatever. It looks very pretty though. Look at this. Focus, you
Stupid bitch.
It's art. They made a little artwork. Sheet masks, K-Beauty, love it. I bought this toner because my toner's also running low. This is a different like scent. Lastly, I bought this headband, and I don't know why I bought it. It wasn't on my list of stuff I needed to buy. But we're gonna see if I can pull this off. If I can't, I'm literally gonna burst out crying.
Wait.
Wait, guys. Wait, I kind of love this actually, but I don't want to look like I like. No.
okay. I think I can work with this. I think I can pull this off.
But yeah, anyways, that's my haul. I'm now gonna stop the video because it will be way too long. Bye. 9 p.m. right now, and I just spent like 15 minutes making matcha, but this is the first time that it's actually like green and it actually looks good. Like,
Wow.
it's crazy. It looks so professional. But like first I always used like cow milk, like normal milk. Now I switched to oat milk, and I used more matcha powder than I usually do, and it looks so good right now. Like, I'm a matcha queen right now.